go to Bahamas. Assalamu alaikum, have a good time. Few days ago I made a video, let's go to Lithuania. You guys got positive feedback on that. Many of you guys asked me where is Lithuanian embassy in Pakistan. There is no Lithuanian embassy in Pakistan. But Hungary's embassy in E7, Islamabad, processes visa of Lithuania. So you will get passport in Hungary embassy. There is no Armenian embassy. You go to Abu Dhabi for Armenia. You go to Uzbekistan for Lithuania. You can get a permit by filling the form. Don't worry about the embassy. You will get it by some way. In today's video, we will continue the series. We will talk about Bahamas. Bahamas has made a very good program, which is called Bahamas Extended Access Travel, which is called Bahamas Beats. Bahamas is a small island. It is about 50 miles from Florida in America. It has a population of 4 lakhs in the whole country, out of which 1 lakh children are under 14 years of age. So the adults who work, the old people and children, there are 2 to 2.5 lakh people in the whole country. And almost 6 million tourists come to them. That is, if you look at the population, there are 8 times more people than the population. They come here only for tourism. And they need workers for that. Workers are not so much present in the country. They like cricket, national sport. You can go there. Now Bahamas has made this program. If you work or study in Bahamas, University of Bahamas is the main university. In Nassau, Nassau is the capital of Bahamas. It is the largest island. It is about 30 to 31 small islands, which has made Bahamas. With the American dollar, Bahamian dollar is a peg. So instead of 1 American dollar, you get 1 Bahamian dollar. You get the same rate. So under this program, you can either study in Bahamas for 1 year, or you can work there. And there is no fee. It is a simple website. It is a total process of 5 days. If you have a job or admission, you can study anywhere in the world. Even if you are studying in Pakistan, you can say that you are sitting on Bahamas Island. You can do your online classes peacefully. I have taken online classes in America, Cyprus, anywhere in the world. But if you want to study there, you can go. The application fee is 25 rupees. You have to pay 1,000 rupees. When your work permit, it will be approved for the whole year. And you can bring a family member. It is 500 rupees per family member. I mean, there are dollars. I am not a poor man. $1,000 fee for application and $500 per family member. It's a very simple program. You can explore it if you go. It's with America, so it's very influenced by American culture. It's in the Commonwealth system, so all the legal systems in it, all the British from the UK, who go to Pakistan, they got their independence in 1973 from the Britishers. It's a small country of peace. If you want to explore the world, you go to different countries to study. So if you want to go to study, you can go to Bahamas. If you want to go for a job, you can go to Bahamas. And there are many jobs available. In the hotel, in the tourism industry, even if you are a chef, you know how to cook, you can work as a waiter, you can change bedding. Nobody is talking about a big business. I am not talking about data scientists or pattern developers. In the hotel, in tourism, there is a tour guide. All kinds of jobs are available. So if you have experienced it, you don't have to spend anything. You have to apply online in 5 days. It's a fee of $25. You have to collect it. But if you do, in return of $1,000, if you spend the whole year there, and if you do a job, you can study, the experience will be amazing. And when you go there, there are 10,000 ways to stay there, to extend, to go to a country, to go to West Indies, to Belize, to Panama, to Costa Rica. I have been to Costa Rica many times. I will make a detailed video there. So I hope, here I am, the Consulate of Bahamas is present in Pakistan. It is present in Lahore, in Karachi, and in High Commission Islamabad, the G5, which is present in our enclave. So that is also a problem. Apply for it. If you like this series, and there is really some benefit from it, I don't want you to waste my time, then do tell me in the comments. Share it with your friends. And I, God willing, will try to make it through 150 countries, wherever I go, wherever I know about it. It is a very good program. It is a completely new program. Not many people have applied. In this program, I think, the friends who were talking there, Bahamas, they said that no Pakistani has gone on this program yet. It has just been launched a few months ago. People don't even know. So do apply for it. And please keep me posted in the comments. Do tell me that if this type of video is of any benefit to you, and if any of you reaches there, then do tell me. Pray for me. I am all yours. Immigration Consultant.
Subscribe us.